Bitcoin trades above $51,000, market cap hits $1 trillion. Bitcoin futures open interest tops $21 billion, highest since November 2021. Sandbox's sand slides, ApeCoin steady ahead of $125 million in unlocks. Crypto fear and greed index hits highest level since Bitcoin's 2021 record high. US Treasury officials urges Congress for more power against crypto crime. Hello and welcome to 3.0 TV. I am Vishakha Thakur. Virtual digital assets or VDA markets erased losses due to the recent US CPI data release, which came in hotter than expected at 2.9%. Bitcoin, the largest cryptocurrency by market cap, surpassed $51,000 levels. Ruchi Sharma joins us to tell us how the global crypto market is performing today.
IC15 index of cryptocurrencies was trading up by 2.4% at 65,000 points. On an interesting note, the total market value of Bitcoin circulating supply crossed $1 trillion after the BTC price surged above $51,000. However, previous drop in crypto prices led by the January Consumer Price Index reports showed 3.1% year-on-year inflation, faster than analysts' 2.9% forecast. Market participants now see only a 34% chance of the Federal Reserve cutting interest rates in May, down from 52% a day ago, according to the CME FedWatch tool. Meanwhile, US-listed cryptocurrency-focused stocks have fared miserably. Shares of Coinbase and MicroStrategy were down roughly 3% from Monday's closing price, while large BTC miners Marathon and Riot Platforms 5% and 2% respectively. In an effort to expand its presence in the US, Ripple has agreed to purchase Standard Custody and Trust Company. With the acquisition, Ripple is now able to provide more in-house services, such as assisting businesses seeking to tokenize their assets. Interestingly, further in the day, Bitcoin Dogs, the world's first initial coin offering on the Bitcoin blockchain, is set to create history. The groundbreaking ICO represents the beginning of a new era for the Bitcoin ecosystem, analysts believe. In other news, the lower chance of imminent rate cuts weighed on traditional markets as well. The 10-year US Treasury bond yield advanced 12 basis points, while the S&P 500 equity gauge and the tech-heavy Nasdaq Composite Index declined as much as 2%. The global cryptocurrency market cap was at $1.92 trillion, increasing 3% in the last 24 hours. However, the total trading volumes increased by 1% to $83 billion. According to data from CoinGlass, the conceptual open interest in active Bitcoin futures contracts has reached $21.3 billion, the highest level in the past 26 months. This increase in open interest reflects a 22% rise since the beginning of the year, analysts said. Moving on, the Solana-based Phantom wallet has been gaining significant traction from the market participants, primarily due to its potential airdrop. Solana-based Phantom wallet accumulated over 3.2 million monthly active users in January 2024, reports highlighted. The NFT marketplace Magic Eden is set to launch on Ethereum NFT marketplace on February 27th. It will be interesting to watch the trading volumes on Ethereum blockchain post this integration. Ethereum transaction volume has risen by 15% since February, reaching a 7-day average of over $3.55 billion. This has led to a spike in network gas fees, reaching a multi-month high of over $11, a level not seen since mid-December 2023. US stock futures traded mixed after the Dow Jones Industrial Average posted its biggest decline since March 2023. Futures tied to the Dow Jones Industrial Average gained 0.11%, S&P 500 futures increased by 0.2%, while Nasdaq 100 futures rose 0.32%. Bitcoin was trading at $51,320, up 2.5%. Ethereum, the second largest crypto, was up by 3%, trading at $2,744. BNB was up by 1.3% to trade at $331. Solana SOL was up 1% and was trading at $115.2. Cardano's ADA token was up by 2% to trade at $0.56. Avalanche AVAX was trading at $41.5, higher 0.8%. Polygon Matic was trading up by 1% to trade at $0.88. Doge, the popular meme coin, was trading up by 0.4% at $0.082. Shiba Inu was trading up by 0.1%. Ripple's XRP token traded at $0.53, up by 0.5%. Polkadot was up by 4.2% to trade at $7.7.
Thanks, Ruchi. And now back to the headlines. The notional open interest, or the dollar value logged in the number of open or active Bitcoin futures contracts, has risen to a 26-month high according to CoinGlass. As of now, open interest in perpetuals and standard futures stood at over $21 billion, with Bitcoin trading at $49,570 in the spot market. Well, the open interest tally has increased 22% this year, nearing the record $24 billion seen in mid-November 2021, when Bitcoin traded above $65,000. The renewed interest in leveraged products like futures alongside a price rise represents an influx of new money on the bullish side and confirms the uptrend. Well, Bitcoin has rallied 28% in just over 3 weeks, mainly due to strong inflows into the recently launched spot ETFs in the US. Leverage, however, magnifies both profits and losses. Hence, a notable rise in futures open interest is often viewed as a harbinger of price volatility. Bitcoin's estimated leverage ratio has recently ticked slightly higher from 0.18 to 0.20, but it is now here near the level seen in August last year, data from CryptoQuant shows. Besides that, 430,500 futures open interest in BTC terms remains well below the peak of 660,000 reached in October 2022 per CoinGlass. Tokens of key gaming and NFT projects Sandbox and ApeCoin could see short-term selling pressure as planned unlocks release a cumulative $125 million worth of the tokens in the coming days. Token unlocks refer to the release of previously locked or restricted tokens into the market. Well, these tokens become available for trading, buying and selling after the end of their vesting period and are typically vested for early investors, treasury and public sale investors. Data shows $95 million worth of Sandbox's Sand will be released in early European hours on Wednesday, while nearly $25 million of ApeCoin will be released Friday. The unlock represents 10% of Sand's total supply and will bring the total circulating supply to nearly 90%. Sand is used for activities in the Sandbox's virtual worlds and has a $1 billion market cap. On the other hand, ApeCoin's unlock represents just over 2.5% of the circulating supply, and over 35% of the token's total supply will remain unlocked. Well, these tokens are vested and allocated to the creator Yuga Labs, the ApeCoin DAO, and other network stakeholders. Sand prices were down 2.3% in the past 24 hours. Data shows while Ape is up 1.6%. With the price of Bitcoin now well over $51,000 and other crypto assets rising, traders have entered a period of extreme greed, according to a well-known index measuring market sentiment. The Fear and Greed Index, published by data source alternative.me, measures market enthusiasm for Bitcoin and other prominent digital assets. Well, the last time the index reached a score of 79 out of 100 was when Bitcoin hit its all-time high around $69,000 in November 2021. It's an axiom of the market that savvy traders prefer buying when the index shows extreme fear and that they become more cautious when greed is higher. But of course, that might not be the case. The index has been routinely above 70, the threshold for greed, since October last year. It fell as low as a 50 following the approval of Bitcoin ETFs in Jan, which initially turned out to be a sell the news event. A United States Treasury official has expressed concerns regarding crypto and illicit finance in a statement to the House Financial Services Committee, asking for more authority to go after bad actors. While the committee hearing is set for Feb 15, the Treasury's Undersecretary for Terrorism and Financial Intelligence, Brian Nelson, emphasized this request in his prepared statement for a congressional hearing on terrorism and cryptocurrency crimes. Nelson's statement coincides with increased attention from Washington lawmakers, including Senator Elizabeth Warren, who has been pushing her anti-money laundering bill. The Digital Asset Anti-Money Laundering Act, which Warren reintroduced to the US Senate in July 2023, explicitly targets illicit uses of crypto assets for money laundering and financing terrorism. And now let's go to Shikha Singh to get an update on buzzing coins of the day.
First on the list, we have Solana. Bitcoin crossed the $51,000 mark, boosting bullish sentiment among traders. Solana's SOL price surged over 7%, breaking above $100 and $110 levels. The rally follows the broader crypto market's positive momentum. SOL broke its sideways trend and challenged fall 2022 resistance around $108. It now ranks fourth largest cryptocurrency by market capitalization, trading at $112.5, flipped Binance's BNB token. Solana was trading at $115, up near 8% in the last 24 hours. Next on the list, we have meme coin Smog. Smog, a meme coin which is also based on Solana, has seen its launch price rise to $0.068, driven by investor bullish sentiment. The project features a dragon theme and an ambitious roadmap with staking rewards, token burns, and interactive community airdrops. The team plans to bridge Smog to Ethereum, allowing users to access the Dragon's Court for points and community bounties. Over 10,000 users have signed up for the airdrop campaign. Next on the list, we have Ethereum. Ethereum transaction volume has risen by 15% since February, reaching a 7-day average of over $3.55 billion. This has led to a spike in network gas fees, reaching a multi-month high of over $11, a level not seen since mid-December 2023. The volume of NFTs traded on Ethereum reached its highest level since late February last year, reaching a multi-month high of $147.29 million. Ethereum NFT trading volume is currently at its highest weekly level since February 26, 2023. Next on the list, we have Polygon. Polygon Foundation wallet address transferred 909 million Matic, the native cryptocurrency of Polygon, to Binance, a leading cryptocurrency exchange. The unknown wallet shifted Matic worth $7.75 million to the centralized exchange, slightly pushing the price down. This transfer of Matic to Binance has become prevalent since August 25, 2022, with 17 million Matic shifted to Binance since June 5, 2022, last year, which is June 2023. Matic's price has dropped 1.86% over the past 24 hours. Next on the list, we have Starknet. The Starknet Foundation has announced its native token distribution plan with nearly 1.3 million wallets eligible for a reward. The token, designed to help decentralize and govern Starknet, will be distributed to 1.297 million wallets on February 28th and last 4 months until June 28th. Eligible wallets include early Starknet and StarkX users, Ethereum contributors, and open source developers. Over 500,000 Starknet wallets and over 600,000 StarkX ones are eligible.
Well, that's all in today's special bulletin. This is me, Vishakha Thakur, signing off. For more on such updates in market news, please log on to our website www.3versetv.io or scan the QR code.